Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can get OneDrive on your computer. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my desktop, and this is how the homepage looks like. So the first thing that you need to do guys is open File Explorer. If you don't find this right here, just go ahead and click on the Start menu, and then search for File Explorer. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it, and then you're going to be right here. Once you're here, as you can see guys in the left, you're going to find Home, Gallery, OneDrive, and so on. So basically guys, you will have OneDrive by default on your computer if you have a Windows computer. So what you need to do guys is set it up. First of all, go ahead and right click on it. And then once you do that right here, you're going to find all of these options. Here you can copy it, expand it, open a new tab, open a new window. And here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to always keep on the device, free up space. And here you're going to find some OneDrive options, view online, settings, and here you're going to find folder color. Go ahead and click on settings, and then you're going to be right here in this page. So basically guys, once you're here in this page, first of all, go to account. And then once you go to account, right here, as you can see guys, make sure you click on link this PC. Or if you want to add another account, go ahead and click on add an account. And then as you can see guys, right here, you can add your OneDrive account. And then once you do that, just go to sync and backup. And once you're here, as you can see guys, you're going to find backup important PC folders to OneDrive. Backup your desktop documents and picture folder to OneDrive, so they're protected and available on other devices. So basically guys, right now, go ahead and click on manage backup, and then make sure you enable these options right here. Enable backup for documents, pictures, desktop, music, and lastly videos. And once you finish, go ahead and click on save changes. Right here, you're going to find save photos and videos from devices. Save photos and videos to OneDrive when I connect to a camera, phone, or any other device to my PC. So you can enable also this option if you want. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.